it's TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, and today we're working on 6-note phrases. Now, this 6-note phrase is going to be 4 with the hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 with the feet. We're going to actually start with the feet, so you got kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you want to do is move these to the different surfaces. We're going to play these in a 16-note triplet phrase, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you really want to try different surfaces because the different surfaces challenge you to hear things different ways. I know sometimes I get caught up when I play a surface that I'm not used to doing it. The times are fine, but when I start using cymbals and things like that, it's really crazy. So check out this phrase, 6 notes, 2 on the foot, 4 on the hands. Right, this is a cool phrase that you can use at the end of the songs. Like if they're telling you, "Oh man, like we need a big outro," so you could just keep looping that until you get done. And then also always applying this in musical settings. So I'll play a quick solo as usual, and then I'll use it in a musical setting so you can see how I would actually play this. So let's check it out. Right? It's a simple phrase. It's really cool. Try it out. See what you come up with. I'm TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, helping you to make a difference one beat at a time. Peace.
Drums for Success.